Come with me to plan February's homeschooling planner for my 13-year-old and 4-year-old. A few things are changing going forward just because my 4-year-old did complete the Good and the Beautiful preschool curriculum. We're going to give it a week before we get started on kindergarten prep. We did spend an extra month on chapter 3 of preschool math at home just because my little one was struggling with subitizing, but he finished that, so we're going to go ahead and go strong and start on chapter 4. Besides that, nothing else is drastically changing for my 4-year-old. Now for my 13-year-old, she actually finished all of her electives last month. She completed health in the physical body from the Good and the Beautiful, as well as her US-born psychology book and her home economic. My 13-year-old is going to continue with Spanish as well as her art. My 13-year-old is interested in psychology, so we went ahead and ordered Psychology for Dummies, and we're going to be adding that to the homeschooling mix until the end of the year. The fact that my middle schooler is really into a certain subject and I'm able to continue to, buy resources and get her just more involved in that subject really brings out the true beauty of homeschooling. Considering everything that I put on my schedule, it does look like a crazy workload, but if you actually spent the whole day with us, these worksheets, these activities, they go by quick, especially if you have little learners like mine. Like I told my husband, right now I have the time to be able to go above and beyond and spend a little extra time with a little extra activity, so that's what we're doing. My kids definitely learn best through repetition, which is why I have so many resources ready for them.